Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Brace yourself for higher fuel prices. With tensions high in the Middle East, oil prices briefly surged beyond $112 a barrel before losing some gains on the New York Mercantile Exchange today, amid tense speculation that America may intervene in the Syrian conflict. Oil futures rose as high as $112.24 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange before closing at $109.01 a barrel. Now, the price of oil has surged by over 15% in the last 3 months over the civil war in Syria and unrest in Egypt. The Jamaican dollar had mixed fortunes today, even amidst continuing strong demand and low supply conditions. The benchmark American dollar fell by 5 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $102.04 Jamaican. However, the Canadian dollar gained 9 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $97.65, whilst the British pound jumped by $1.90 to close at $160.08. News on the Jamaican stock market now. Amid losses by key stocks such as cement, Carreras and D&G, the stock market indices fell marginally today. The main JC index shed 170 points, or 1/5%. 32 stocks traded, with 12 advancing, 12 declining, and 8 holding firm. The winners included Consolidated Bakeries or Purity of 5.6%, Dolphin Cove, Gleaner, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Distributors, NCB, and Scotia Group. The losers included Access Financial Services, Burita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Carreras, D&G, Kingston Wharves, Mayberry, and Pulse Investments, the day's big loser, down 13%. While the Planning Institute of Jamaica is projecting growth ranging from 0.5% to 1.5% for the July to September quarter, based mainly on improvements in areas such as mining and quarrying, construction, electricity and water supply, agriculture and fishing, communication, there are projected areas of declining growth. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Colin Bullock, identifies some of these projected areas of negative growth in the September quarter, as well as the rationale for growth in 2 key areas.
Continuing declines in finance and insurance services and producers of government services. The improvement in construction will be supported by increased capital outlay on major infrastructure development works. The agriculture, forestry, and fishing industry is expected to grow based on recovery in export crop production due to increased rainfall.
Finally, amidst a firestorm of criticism from powerful environmental groups in particular over the Goat Island issue, Anthony Hilton, who has cabinet responsibility for the development of a logistic hub, says cabinet has not made a final decision on a Chinese proposal to develop a port facility and logistics and industrial park on Goat Island. Hilton's position came by a tersely worded press release from the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce this evening. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.